A 19-year-old student from Delhi University hailing from Manipur has accused the police of treating her harassment complaint with undue leniency, according to PTI reports. The young woman, who reported being targeted by a cab driver, claimed the authorities facilitated an essay part to bail for the accused. The student recounted a harrowing experience involving a cab driver from an online aggregator company. According to her account, the driver allegedly took her hostage, deviated from the intended route, and drove to a desolate location with apparent intent to sexually assault her. In a courageous act of resistance, she managed to escape from the situation, ultimately seeking help at the nearest police station, as reported by PTI. However, the response from law enforcement was far from prompt. The student alleged that despite the evident danger to her life, she was made to wait for an exhausting 7 hours before her complaint was formally registered. The delay was not the only issue. When the first information report (FIR) was finally filed, it reportedly included only minor charges, leaving the accused with a relative straightforward path to securing bail. Expressing her frustration to PTI, she stated, "Despite a clear and serious threat to my life, the FIR that was eventually filed included only minor charges, allowing the culprit an easy path to bail. The lenient handling of the case and the failure to take immediate necessary actions are deeply concerning."